Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get Google Chrome on home screen on your Windows. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my computer, and first of all, we need to go to the start menu, and then we're going to go to the apps. You can click on all option here to access all applications on your Windows, and then here we just need to search for the Google Chrome. Okay, this one, and you can move the Google Chrome to the to the home screen. You just need to tap and hold on the Google Chrome and you can move it here. Okay, and now as you can see guys that the Google Chrome has been added to my home screen on Windows. Basically, you just need to go to the apps and you can drag the app to the home screen, and the application will be added to your home screen. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get Google Chrome on home screen on Windows. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.